Hello there, it's Diorama Don here once again. I did a video a few weeks ago on how to make a barbed wire fence. So this is just another idea of a quick and easy way of making fencing. There are dozens of videos on YouTube showing you how to make different kinds of fence, chain link fence and all kinds of different fencing. But this is, I think, a different slant on how to make it. It's just an idea. I've used 3mm card, which is a bit thick, but you could use 2mm. It is possible. So what I do is mark out where I want the individual slats of the fence to be. In this case, 1/2 inch apart, or 12mm, and then putting a ruler just below the line, like that, about 1mm below the line, and then with a very sharp knife cutting at a 45-degree angle. It does work. The blade will follow the ruler as easily as it does at a 90-degree cut. He said, nearly cutting his finger off. So I don't know if I can do it leaning over a camera like this, but I'll give it a go. So it's not up against the line, it's about 1mm before, and then at about a 45-degree angle, like so, and then turn around and do the same. And what you'll get, I hope, nope, like I say, I tell you what, I'll do one in the middle because it's going to be easier. So like that. And then like that, and that shape will come out, and you'll have a gap between the slats of the fence. So if you did all the way along, go all the way along there, and then in this case it'll be like a pointy top fence. Just cut these pieces out at the top. So all the way along cutting those out, and then all the way along cutting these out, it should look like a fence. So I'll do it all. I won't do it on camera, it'll take quite a while. So I'll go away and cut all those out and show you the end result. So I've cut out all the slats and the pointy bits on top, and that's ready now for painting. I think it looks quite realistic. It doesn't have to have these points on top. You could just put a piece of card on the top just to cap off the fence. Or you could make a barn door in the same way, same principle. And this is only 2mm card, so you can cut into 2mm card to take those slats, or cut those slats. So I'll paint these up, make them look a bit better, and we'll see what the outcome is. Okay, so we've given it a coat of paint. Make it look more wood-like now. Look up close. It looks, I think that's passable as a wooden fence. It works for 1/35 scale, but you could also use the same technique, same procedure on HO scale for a model rail layout, 00 scale, where you do need a lot of fencing. So just an idea. It's very cheap, very easy to do. As I say, you can do it on 2mm thick. That's the barn door or garage door. Before I put any paint on, I put a coating of watered down wall filler, just to give it a base coat. And the brush strokes as you put on the wall filler, it gives a kind of wood grain effect. I don't know if you can see that. It's a very slight, very slightly, but there is a wood grain effect there. So when you put your paint on, you've got an automatic wood grain. So there we are. It's just my idea of a quick, cheap and easy fence. Oh, that's the other one though, just the one with the top on. And obviously you can paint it to however you require. Okay, so there we go, cheap fencing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click that subscribe button. We need all we can get. This is my 52nd video now, so mounting up nicely. There'll be new videos every week, a couple of new videos at least every week, so please subscribe. In the meantime, have a go yourself. Let me know how you get on. In the meantime, it's happy modeling.